smoked nuts. Now that's good stuff. So let's talk about smoked nuts. Yep, that is some good stuff. If you like a little treat to be able to just have available, doing some cashews, some pistachios, maybe some almonds, just a great thing. I really enjoy the almonds. As far as the starting point for the almonds, I'm a fan of the Kirkland almonds. Couple of pound bag, $10, and all you have to do is just tear that thing open, put some aluminum foil down inside of a cardboard box, and just drop them on there. They're ready salted, they're ready roasted, and you're just adding the smoke flavor and then whatever salt that you want to put on them. So what I actually use is a smoke chief. This is a cold smoke generator, runs on a little bit of electricity and pellets, and it just throws a bunch of smoke. And I use it to smoke inside of a cardboard box and just run that cold smoke into there. You can also use other devices. There's a smoke tube, and what a smoke tube does is it actually lights those pellets, and you would put that inside of your grill, inside of your pellet grill. I don't usually do this while my pellet grill is running because I don't want to generate heat. All I want to do is just infuse smoke onto the nuts themselves. You could also use the Smoke Daddy. The Smoke Daddy is something that you use chips to be able to generate smoke. Again, you could run that into a cardboard box. You could use your smoker or your grill to be able to kind of be the containment for that. But whatever you use, just make sure you don't start anything on fire inside of a cardboard box. That's not a good idea. So what I do is I just lay down a piece of aluminum foil and I put my almonds on top of that and just run it on smoke for probably about a half hour. You will want to kind of test that out based on what you're going to use for your source of smoke and also how smoky that you want the nuts. You can definitely over smoke those and they don't taste so good at that point. But run that for about a half hour or so and it'll throw lots of smoke. And once you're done with that, I season it. So what I use is a bacon-chipotle sea salt, which really gives some great flavor. And I grind it up either with a mortar and a pestle, or if I'm doing a bigger batch, I'll use a coffee grinder. Just one of these kind of coffee grinders that has a spinning blade inside. Make sure that you clean all the coffee out before, any kind of residue that you would have, and make sure you get the bacon-chipotle sea salt out of there afterwards. So there's lots of different salts that you can use. Here's one that I found on Amazon, which is a little kind of a tester pack that you've got probably is this about 8 or 9 different types of salt, different flavors. See what you like, try it out, and try some different ones also. But just grind that up into real fine. Again, if you're using the coffee grinder, make sure you don't put it in there too long because then it's going to turn into just a powder and almost disappear. So you want to have a little bit of texture to it yet so that it'll adhere. I don't need to put anything on top of the almonds. I usually put the salt on right when they come out so they're just a tiny bit warm maybe, and that'll kind of help to adhere it. So just mix them all up and throw that salt on there, and it really does a great job. You'll really enjoy those, and I hope this inspires you to do something a little bit more, a little bit different. Smoked almonds, again, are a favorite. I send those out to lots of friends, co-workers. I send them out at Christmas time. They really enjoy them. And once you crack that open, that aroma of the smoke that comes out of those, it's like a magnet. So enjoy, and hope you have a great time with this.